Pinpoint with a 12. Now let's bring in meteorologist Pete Mangione. Pete, you've been tracking this storm now for, say, the last couple of days, but over the last 6 or 7 hours or so, and we've been watching that precipitation move slowly all across the state.
Exactly. It's been very slowly working to the north. The dry air has been rather stubborn this morning, hanging on, but the snow's starting to win out. Let's show you what's happening with the latest watches and warnings. A winter storm warning continues for our entire area here, and that does include this afternoon and tonight, where the heaviest of the snow is still to come. I want to direct your attention to something. Notice this dark stripe of blue right here. It's just offshore from Rhode Island, hovering near the Long Island coast. These are the heavy snowfall rates that we've been talking about. We're talking 1 to 2 inches an hour. In fact, over the past couple hours, there was a report of around 2 inches per hour of snowfall at Islip Airport for Long Island. And you will notice that stripe of darker blue heading towards Narragansett. You're probably seeing this within the next 30 minutes to an hour, and then eventually to Newport, Jamestown. So the snow will start to pick up along the south coast first, and then for inland spots, the heavier snow will move north. So this is a look at Narragansett. There is not much of a look to be had, right? The snow falling and some of the ice starting to freeze on the lens. And here's our other Newport camera. You can see the flakes are flying. The snowfall rate is already starting to pick up here at the City by the Sea. Not so much in Providence. This is the hurricane barrier, and you will notice a few light snowflakes here up against the tugboats. But Providence, your turn will come here in a couple of hours as those heavier bands of snow move towards the capital city. The temperature is 34 degrees. Now, the breeze is out of the northeast at 21 miles an hour, and those winds will continue to increase throughout the day. As we take you hour by hour, this is 2 p.m. This is when these heavier waves of snow start to move through. 3, 4, 5 o'clock, this is when you certainly don't want to be on the roads. This is where you could see those very heavy snowfall rates, whiteout conditions, even the chance of some thunder snow. And remember, when all this is happening, the winds will be howling, and we could have some of that sideways blowing snow to add to the mix. Deeper into the evening, this is 7 p.m. Notice what tries to happen. That rain snow line advancing towards the southeastern coast of Massachusetts. That's why snowfall amounts will be a little bit lower here, because you're going to mix first in places like New Bedford and Fall River. But the cold air and the snow will tend to hang on. So even through later this evening, the snow keeps going, especially northern Rhode Island, northern Bristol County. Eventually, I do think that rain snow changes over in Providence, but it takes maybe until tonight for that to happen. Overnight, it lightens up. So then we're looking at just some light rain and snow showers, and the worst of the storm would be gone by that point. So here's what we're thinking when we're talking snowfall accumulation. Still have this 12 to 15-inch swath, essentially north and west of 295, including you in Woonsocket, Foster. 8 to 12 inches for Providence, Warwick, and Cranston, down pretty close to the south coast near Westerly, and then 5 to 8 inches for New Bedford. Here's that area we're going to watch carefully depending on how that rain snow line evolves, but we're going to stick with this for now and also discuss the wind, because in addition to that heavy wet snow, you may get some gusts along the coast between 40 and 50 miles an hour. 30 to 40. Inland Block Island could be around 60, so obviously power outages are a concern. Now, in terms of the timing of that wind, right now we're already experiencing gusts of 30 miles an hour in Providence, 31 Newport, 44 for a recent wind gust on Block Island, and 35 in Westerly. But here's what happens over the next several hours. Winds starting to ramp up between 30 and 40. By this evening, this will likely be the peak of the winds, potentially around 50 in Westerly, close to 60 possibly for Block Island. And remember, especially if you get that heavy wet snow clinging to the branches, you combine that with a gust, that can lead to power outages. Of course, you can always get updates on that on our website at WPRI.com. It's still windy tomorrow morning, just not as windy, with gusts tomorrow morning around 20 to 30 miles an hour. So to wrap everything up, we're primarily concerned with the heavy snowfall rates this afternoon, leading to some very tricky travel. The wind, though, may be a factor, gusts 35 to 50 with those outages possible. I think our coastal impacts in terms of minor coastal flooding primarily for eastern Massachusetts. And as we look at that 7-day forecast, yes, it's a messy day tomorrow, but it's much lighter. Rain and snow showers possible, maybe a few snow showers on Wednesday. Of course, WPRI.com, the place to go for the latest weather updates. But obviously a lot to